Hi there. My name is Ben. My name is Ben Keat, and I'm making this video to talk about the concept of Umosras and how it will come to be, the process of formulating it and making it happen. Now, Umosras has an operating system which is Space TM, and Space TM is the dual reality of the universe, geolocated to this area of the planet, and potentially other areas of the planet because of our customer base that we have on this earth. It's possible to have a reach potentially where we can get to other areas of the planet and start to create a commonwealth, if you like, of safe havens around the planet that have this geolocation of space TM as their infrastructure. Now, what space TM has been built on is a perfectly performing quantum system that has been through the 12 ages of man, if you like, and come through as a pure reality that is designed to enable people to have the capability of benevolent signal on their system. It will enable them to have pure frequency that keeps illness and bad technology out. It will also enable people to be able to have the reality of an improved streaming service and ultimately the lifebook. That's the plan, to get people to actually access the lifebook through the technology. And this will enable people to open gateways to the universe, whether they're on the platform of Umosras or not. But in the case of Umosras, the operating system of Space TM will run the whole operating system and enable the platform to function in harmony with each other. Each area and each person within the platform being able to interact and do business with other people without actually having to make a phone call or anything like that. They'll actually be able to get involved on an interactive platform that works for everyone. That's the plan with Space TM. You know, people will use the lifebook to access stories for their entertainment, for information, for finding out details and facts about the universe. Because Umosras is the geolocation of the universe, so actually it represents the universe that we live in, and therefore we live in the universe in the platform of Umosras, and therefore we're able to interact with the universe and find out more details, technology, science, things that will improve the human lot on Earth and improve the situation that we find ourselves in the platform. On the website, I actually put that within 10, 20 years, we hope to have amplified, after the coming of the platform, we hope to have amplified by 1,000 times the net worth of everyone on the planet. That's the plan. But the idea is harnessing the universe, the power of the universe, which is what we do with this mobile data and this electric charging already, and opening gateways to it through Space TM, and therefore allowing people access to this technology and this reality, the exotic properties of the universe, so that we can then run a system that has the caps taken off it, that goes beyond what we've dreamt of on Earth already, and gives us the opportunity to have a spacefaring reality, to go out there into the galaxy, colonize the galaxy, and become our own fleet of angels in prospecting the universe and becoming the creators of a platform that is going all over the universe and creating the possibility of creating other areas, habitable areas of the universe, and putting our own stamp on that and making our reality from the Earth, the human fleet, if you like, have their own prospecting and ultimately terraforming and platform creating operation all over the universe. That's the plan. So in order to get to that stage, what we first have to do is create a universal reality in this location and create universal abundance. So in order to do that, I had a system that I set up called the IPv XYZ system, which basically gave me the opportunity to geolocate the universe to this area of the planet, while at the same time incorporating other areas of the Earth to this location and ultimately connected to the universe in that reality. So the plan with the Umosras is not just to have a large, giant platform of universal creation here already. Is to actually create a commonwealth where we have a shared collective of universal creation all over the earth that is protected from the dangers and pitfalls that the people on this earth may fall into. And gradually we'll start to reclaim this planet for the universe and make it truly a universal planet. That's the sort of ethos behind the reality of what we're trying to do. But the most important thing about this is that we're trying to create a system that provides abundance to the planet. That's the most important thing. The universal abundance will trickle down, it'll filter down very fast, and it'll actually flood the whole planet with universal opportunities and realities, technologies. And it won't just be Umosras that's conducting the space reality and traveling all over the universe. It'll be everyone on Earth, all aspects, all people involved in space reality on this planet who are in the space age will be able to join in this quest to colonize the galaxy and put the human reality into space, overtly, without clandestine space programs and everything else. We'll be able to actually say, no, we are physically doing this, and Umosras, the platform Umosras, is providing the technology for this reality. Now, the IPv-XYZ system is able to dual locate the universe, and therefore we're able to tap into the exotic properties of this reality. And using this reality, this technology, this space reality, we're able to turn basically standard space reality, basically the concept of what's out there in space, the exotic properties, the technology that will be available, the information, through the lifeboat, we'll be able to interact with the universe, we'll be able to talk to hosts within the universe, will be able to share with us their experiences of, and they'll be able to share with us their technology and information and their experiences of what works in terms of energy, in terms of technology to take us forward, in terms of metals, alloys, things that we're going to learn about from the universal reality. And the whole platform is actually a business amnesty. So it's designed to take existing earthly businesses and turn them into a universal reality, to take the cap off the top and to make people be able to actually achieve in an earthly business structure, turn it into something that is actually now a universal concept, and where the sky is no longer the limit. We can go beyond, we can turn our reality into something that is much more interchangeable with a heavenly reality, if you like. And that's the plan. It's universal, but it's a heavenly reality. But it's a heavenly reality for modern times. It's not just like Michael and all the angels with wings and Lucifer and all that sort of thing. It's a much more craftsman reality where we all have our process in deploying our creative technology and turning it into a universal reality. So that's a little bit about Umosras. The manifestation of Umosras, the most important thing to realize is that we're just about in the fifth dimension now in terms of where the platform should be and what we can achieve with it, which means the encapsulation of the reality of the universal spirit and turning it into something that is able to conjure up a universal reality when it gets into the sixth dimension. And the plan when we cross over from the fifth dimension into the sixth dimension is to have the reality of basically, astral bodies within the platform. So the fifth dimension, which consists of a large amount of information, runes, architectural writing, architectural information, designer command line language that is designed to set it all off. Remember, there are other people contributing as well to the platform. In the fifth dimension, this language, this technology, what people are doing in the universal project, suddenly in the sixth dimension turns into astral bodies, which set off hosts from the universe to come and actually observe the reality of what is going on in this dual location of the universe. It's going to affect the universe. And then the implication will be that we'll be able to start terraforming the reality using these hosts to set up a vast platform that has a universal concept, with everything functioning for a business reason. practices in the mountains. We're going to be mountains around it. There will be practices in the mountains where businesses are run from all over the earth to push up the legal organizational direction into something much more, at a much higher frequency, take it up to a higher level, break the caps off that have constrained us in the past, and show us the universal reality, the universal way of doing things, and therefore bringing abundance and technology and a future of universal creativity to the whole planet. That's the plan. That's what we want to do. And that's why we're using business as a method to implement this. Of course, it's not about business. It's about our relationship with Jesus Christ, our God the Father. It's about the Holy Spirit. It's about all the concepts of heaven that we can understand now in the modern age, and how we can implement that as the first universal zone of universal abundance on the planet. So thanks for listening. Please look at the website, umosras.uk. That's umosras.uk, umosras.uk. And that explains in much more detail exactly what we're doing and what we're making happen. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.